Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an amazing 4-bedroom detached property. This is the Elton from Berkeley DeVeer. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This is the front view of the house, and here we can see the garden and also the double garage which is coming just beside it. And it's located in Leeds, very near to the city center. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a study, living room, kitchen with dining and family space, utility and a washroom. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your first floor and also the living and kitchen and dining space. So first, let's check out the study which is coming towards the front end. It's a decent study space here. You're getting 2 windows which are quite lengthy, so plenty of natural light falling in the study. If you want, you can actually plan it as a first guest room as well. And just as you come out of the study, there's a small storage space opposite to it. They have given a door and lock as well, so you can hang the coats and stuff inside this space. Now let's move towards the living room. So beside the study here, you're getting the living room. It's actually a lengthy living room. As you can see, you're getting 2 windows, so plenty of natural light falling in the living space. Now if you want, you can plan a lengthy sofa like this, or the corner sofa would be quite ideal for such rooms. Overall, it's a decent living room with good space and ventilation. Now moving towards the kitchen, which is coming just opposite to the living space. It's an amazing kitchen. I really liked it a lot. Quite lengthy in space. Towards the front end, they actually planned the family space. In between, you're getting the kitchen. And towards the other end, they planned a nice, comfortable dining table. You also have the garden access through the French doors given towards the other side. The space looks quite okay. And as you can see, towards the front end, they managed to give a bay window, so plenty of light falling in the kitchen from both the sides. The worktop is spread out on both the sides, so the fridge freezer is planned towards the side, and the oven and the induction cooking you have towards the opposite end. There's plenty of space everywhere actually. And towards the corner end, you have again decent space to plan a nice comfortable dining table. So from here you have access to both the utility space and also the garden. The garden view through these French doors is amazing. You have a decent garden with good space. Also, if you want in future, you can park your car near the garage and walk through the garden doors. It's much easier. So this is the utility space. Again, it's a decent space given here. The boiler, washing machine, dryer, everything you can plan in this utility space. As I told you, there's also garden access from this utility. It also leads to the garage. So this was all about the kitchen. Now before moving to the upstairs, let's check out the washroom which is coming in the ground floor. So this is the washroom here. It's a small and decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor. On the first floor, we have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So first, let's check out the master bedroom. It's a comfortable double bedroom with good space. As you can see, a double cot fits in and you have really good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so plenty of light falling in this bedroom. The interiors done in this room also look simple and attractive. Now here towards the opposite side you have a good space to plan the wardrobes. And it's going inside the wall so it doesn't disturb the room space. And this is the ensuite attached. The space looks quite okay. There's a walk-in shower towards the other side, and towards the front end they gave the water closet and sink. You also have a window, so the ventilation is good in this bathroom. This is all about the master bedroom of the house. Now let's check out other rooms. So just beside this master bedroom, you're getting the second bedroom. Now this is smaller than the master bedroom, but still if you want you can plan a double cot even in this room. The space looks quite okay. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling even in this bedroom. This can be used as a kids room, guest room, or anything you want to. Now beside this second bedroom you have the family bathroom. The space in this family bathroom is quite okay. If you observe, it's bigger than the ensuite. Towards one side they gave the tub, in between you're getting the sink, a water closet, and there's also a small walk-in shower. Normally when they plan both the tub and walk-in shower, the space looks much congested, but in this bathroom they actually planned the tub towards one end, and towards the front end they gave a semicircular shower cubicle, so it doesn't occupy much space, and still you have all the facilities. Now moving towards the third bedroom. It's actually a double bedroom, looks quite spacious. So here you can plan a double cot or even a king size bed, and there's really good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. And beside this third bedroom, there's again another small storage space with a door and lock. So you can plan something even in this space here. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom of the house. So this is the fourth bedroom. It's bigger than the single bedroom and smaller than the double bedroom. So you can plan a medium cot in this room as well, and there's good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming even in this bedroom, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. We covered all the rooms in this property. Now let's go downstairs and check out the garage and also the front view of the house. So this is the front view of the house. Actually, this particular show home is for sale now, so if you're interested in this property, you can contact the builder. The price which I displayed on the thumbnail also includes the flooring and other fittings in this show home. The furniture is not included, they will remove the furniture, but just the property and all the additional fittings like the carpets and also the kitchen fittings and everything will be included. So this is the garden and also the double garage. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.